Today we'll go over an overview of the math section of the SAT. First, about the mathematics section. You'll have to answer 44 multiple choice questions and 10 student-produced response questions, which require you to put in the numbers rather than picking an answer. There are 3 sections scattered throughout your 10 sections that will be on the SAT. You'll have 20 multiple choice questions you will have to answer in 25 minutes, and then you'll have 8 multiple choice questions plus 10 student-produced response questions, which you will have to answer in 25 minutes as well. Then you'll have a final math section with 16 multiple choice questions that you will have 20 minutes to answer. Here are some general strategies. First, you need to ask yourself 2 questions once you have read the question. What is the question asking you, and what information is given? You should limit your time on any one question. Every question is worth the same number of points. If you need a lot of time to answer a question, skip it and come back to it later. You should remember that questions are ranged from easy to hard, so spend more time on the hard questions than the easy questions. Also, don't make careless mistakes. This means reading every question carefully and staying focused during the exam. Some more strategies. You should do your scratch work right in the test booklet. Draw figures to help you with geometric shapes, distances, proportions, and other things. Also, write out your calculations before turning to the calculator, which will also help you avoid making careless mistakes. You should substitute real numbers for variables to make problems more concrete. That can also help you visualize things and create figures and other types of secondary material to help you answer the question. You should take each solution one step at a time. Some seemingly difficult questions are really just a series of easy questions. The College Board tries to make the math section a lot more about thinking than about random mathematical concepts. So try and figure out what exactly they're trying to ask you. How will we prepare? The math section is the easiest section to improve on in some people's opinion. It requires you to do 3 things. First, focus on details. You should read every question carefully to avoid careless mistakes. Then, practice on specific types of problems. There are specific types of problems that the College Board likes to put on every SAT. For example, related rates questions appear frequently. We'll make sure that you're prepared for these frequently asked questions on the SAT. Finally, you should do timed practice on the 3 types of sections so you're not thrown off on the day of the SAT by the limited amount of time you have. By the time that you take the SAT, you'll be looking forward to hitting a math section once you're done with our course.